Get ready with a fan switch on, one fan switch on. See, lens part, there are some questions related to lens. Okay, so lens questions when they are asking, first drawing lens is one important part. So we are going to first understand how to draw lens section questions. Lens numericals, refractive index related questions. These questions becomes Kavya, can you send link in the group beta? Sujay, morning class, maths class done in morning. Hmm? Good evening, Jotam. So now look at one by one, we are going to solve lens related questions and I'm going to explain some of the most important part for lens. My voice is audible just one time and let me connect to the voice system. Okay. Good evening. Everybody get ready because I was discussing so I didn't arrange. Just 1 minute, give me. See, today we are going to do some work. Very important works are there. That work I am going to explain you from which section how much marks is coming in board examination. That's a very important part. So if you are knowing means you will be able to handle the questions nicely. Otherwise, problem will come. So our format should be we should be knowing the entire section from where the questions are coming. Okay. So science examination, one question from heredity and evolution. So tomorrow in question paper, which and all sections are there from where questions are coming. Okay. So first part is given somebody will be asking you from which section these questions are coming means you should be informing that. First part is the question will be coming from Mendel's. Pea plant experiment is exactly one of the most important part from where one question is coming. Okay. Good evening, Ashwita. Porani, who are you? You have taken extra advantage. Porani, you are taking extra advantage. Seriously, I'm telling. See, listen everyone. Pay attention and listen from which sections questions are coming. So from mental experiment, one question will be coming. In environment chapter, from where questions will come? Environment chapter, your food web and food chain. From there, one question will be there. Food web and food chain, one question will be there. That part you have to do. Ashish, good evening. So shall we start the lens part? Quickly, I'm starting the lens section without wasting time. Okay, one question I'm asking. When we see far off object, listen, in lens chapter, everybody get ready, start answering my question. If we want to see far off object, if we want to see, our lens focal length will be more or convergence will be more. What should be higher to see the far off object? Everyone, come on, start typing the answer, start saying the answer. If I want to see a far off object, what should be the focal length? The focal length should be more or the focal length should be less? This is what my question is. Come on, start answering the question. Maha, answer. Everybody start answering my questions, please. First question is, if I want to see the far off object, what should be my focal length? What should be my focal length? It should be more or less. Focal length will be more and convergence will be less. Focal length will be more and convergence will be less. But if I want to see a, yes, but if I want to see a nearby object, so if I'm seeing nearby object, very good. If I'm seeing nearby object, focal length will become, lens will become thin and convergence will become more. Understood? Convergence will become more, because to see nearby object, what is there is we are putting so much strain in the eyes na, for seeing the, what is the distance, what distance we are, 25 centimeter, what distance we are maintaining, 25 centimeter. Now one by one I am asking some questions, you people get ready and start answering the questions. First question is for convex lens. If I am going to put zebra strips in the lens, what will be the impact on the image? Will the image will be obtained as a zebra strips? The image obtained on screen will have zebra strips, or the image will be blur, or the image will be clear. Image will be blur or image will be clear. Come on everybody, because now you are offline online both, you can't use chat gpt or any other thing. It will be blur. Kavya is telling it will be blur. Very good. Jasmita is telling it will be blur. What about other children? It will be blur. It will be blur. So some of the sophisticated questions are there in which we have to answer. Now another important question, get ready for this question everyone. My next important question from all of you is कि if I have to listen carefully, if I am keeping the lens in the, understood not? If I have to change the focal length, understood not? Or first part question, I'm just going to repeat it. कि I am putting lens inside a kerosene. Will it change the focal length? Think very nicely and then answer my question. Good evening, Sophia. This is a very important session. Lens, very unwanted, typical questions I am going from all of you. Get ready to answer the question. If I am keeping the lens inside kerosene, will it change the focal length? Will it change the focal length? Come on, start answering the question. Will it change the focal length? There will be any change in the medium? Yes. Is there any change in the medium? See, you understand one thing. When we are allowing light to enter inside a lens, first understand, technically think and then give me the answer. If a light is entering in lens from air to lens, so that means what? They are going from rarer medium to denser medium. Understood or not? Now, if yes, so you need to understand that if I am taking a convex lens, and convex lens I'm putting inside another medium. Understood? The outer part of the medium is denser and the inner part of the medium will become rarer. Then convex lens will not act as convex lens, it will start acting as concave lens. You need to understand, yes, medium change for the lens will change the property of the lens. This is one of the most important thing. You must remember this part. Medium change, because radar to denser, it will just it will, the one which will converge will now diverge. The one which will converge will now diverge. You need to understand what is convergence. Convergence means कि when the light ray, see, very important last moment, important information I am giving. Everybody must listen, because hereafter what I am doing is I am going to change your strategy, because this time is our final time for preparation. Understood or not? When final time for preparation will be coming means I will only be waiting for your answers. Understood or not? So yes, that's what. See, one convex lens is known for convergence. Understood? Convex lens is known for convergence. Now what I did is I kept change in medium. Understood? First it was air to lens. It was air to lens. Now the medium is changed. Now the another medium is denser and lens is rarer. So definitely which was converging will now diverge. Understood? Because the ray, once it will enter, it will go away from the normal. So convergence will become divergence. This is one of the most important property you must not forget, because life science related topic is there in science. This year there will be a total change in question paper. The question paper will be totally related to science. Understood? Not life science. Life science means your skill based questions. Understood? Not what is the meaning of skill based questions? Skill based questions are those questions which are actually dependent on related to your day to day life. Understood? Not so. What if I am keeping a lens inside milk? Will the light ray will enter into this, will do this. What if I will keep the lens inside kerosene? What will be the change? Understood? They'll ask this type of questions. One student accidentally dipped half of the lens inside black color ink. After that, or it accidentally painted the half part of the lens. What impact it is having? Like this question they will ask. Are you understanding it? So when they will ask this type of question, the total format will change. I hope you might have understood. So we should be ready for any type of questions. Numerical based questions, though we will be answering. Understood or not? But these type questions means convergence will be there, divergence will. Today you learn new thing now. What you learned? If I am keeping a lens inside another medium, the lens will not act as the same. Convergence will become divergence. Understood? Why? Because the optical density will change. The light ray when is entering from one medium to another medium will impact differently. I hope you might have understood this part. Children, are you all clear with the concept? Huh? So now we are going to go with the next section. So I'm giving you one question. Everyone start solving. Lens first numerical. Yeah, change in optical density. Correct, Maha. So hereafter, every time you need to answer my questions with that clarity. Okay. Night, 12 o'clock also, 11 o'clock also, I'm keeping class hereafter. Yes, because board exam is coming. Last 1 month, what we are going to do? We are only going to study. What is your work left? Study. And for study, see, from your home, you arrange two mobiles. One your Appa mobile, one your mobile. What we are going to do is, there will be pairing. Pairing means in live stream classes will be going on, and another one will be Google Meet. Understood? In Google Meet, you have to switch on your video and you will be present with switch on video, and here live stream you will be there. Live stream will be totally reflecting the screen. Google Meet will be showing that you are present online and you are sitting in your study table and you are studying with me. Understood? So physical presence, more than that, I want your study pattern also. So you have to switch on your camera in Google Meet and you have to sit silently, and from Google Meet live stream only you will be answering the questions. You are understanding? In live stream what you are doing? Answering the questions. And Google Meet, what I am seeing? You are present in the class or not. That's it. Got it? So these are the two modes. So two phones are definitely present in all this home. That's not a very big deal. So 1 hour or 2 hour, two phone will be engaged means that's not a big deal. Your parents can sacrifice this much. Correct, na? So get ready for this type sessions.
But not in midnight.
Midnight means 11 o'clock is possible.
Ma'am, everyone is sleeping.
No problem. For 1 hour, offline also. Yeah, from offline also. Who is? I'm free. Will enjoy it. Many students staying before exams here.
But my mother would love.
No problem. Online also your mother will allow, no?
No, she don't use it.
Your mother will allow. For score, everybody will allow. Now look here, beta. I am asking one question from everybody. Get ready for next question. What is the net power of lens when all the lenses are convex? Three lenses are there. What is the net power of the three lenses? What is the three lenses are arranged? Understood? Three lenses are arranged. What is the net power of the three lenses arranged? If the lenses are convex lens. Net power. Power formula is 1 by focal length. Correct? So what is the net power?
Now the focal length of three convex is the same.
No. Who told? I didn't mention that.
Convex, right?
Yes. What can be the net power? Anybody? Please answer this
1
question.
by F1 plus 1 by F2
Plus 1 by F3. That's correct. The net power will be 1 by F1 plus 1 by F2 plus 1 by F3. What is the net power? 1 by F1. See, net power when somebody, hey, net power when somebody will ask means it will P1 plus P2 plus P3. That means 1 by focal length F1 plus 1 by focal length F2 plus 1 by focal length F3. Did you understand? So net power will be P1 plus P2 plus P3. Understood? But I did mention here that same type of lens. Same type is convex lens only. For concave lens, convex lens together, the net power we have to check. Understood or not? So now my next question is, get ready for it. If the focal length, if the focal length of a lens is 1 meter, focal length is 1 meter, what is the power of the lens?
1
Everyone start answering. This is the very zero level question I have asked.
1 plus or minus
1 by meter is diopter.
Okay.
1 by meter is diopter.
Yeah.
1 by meter is diopter.
Ma'am, 1 diameter plus or minus 1 because we don't know that is convex or concave.
Yes, that will be the truth part. So very good. Ashwita has given the answer. I got first online answer. Offline children, what is the answer? What is the correct answer here? It can be anything. I just said 1. I did not say -1. If I might be mentioning minus means you can specifically say, I said only 1 meter. Did I said -1 meter? Did I said -1 meter? No, no. So, but if I am saying only 1 meter, then what is the power? See, power is coming as positive. So please check this one out. Now look here. Power formula is 1 by focal length. Correct? What is the power formula, beta? Power formula is 1 by focal length. And 1 by focal length means 1 by 1 meter. And 1 by 1 meter is what? 1 diopter. Note down. Power is 1 diopter. Note down. I am ready for next question. See, net power formula I have discussed. Now we are going to solve this method. Write on this one, beta. Now next, write. Now numerical, write. And your time starts now. Come on, go for this question, beta. Try to solve this question. Just one word. Try to solve this question. Write this question. Nicely practice and solve this question. Go for it, please. I will not at all give any single clue. It is your question. You need to practice this and save it. In between, I am keep speaking. You just listen from Mendel's law of segregation, law of independent assortment, these things, and law of dominance. All these three laws are very important for heredity and evolution chapter. Variation is a very important topic. DNA variation and characteristic selection is one very important thing. We must be checking that part out. So please listen these things very, very carefully.
Focal length 50/3
50 by 3 is long.
50/7.
Absolute. Very good. Super. Anyone else solved? Divya, what is the answer coming? Beta, what is the answer coming? Check. Being solved. Now look at beta. First magnification given. So what is magnification formula? Well then look at beta. Hereafter, first formula rating is important. Okay. Every chapter formula you must remember because magnification for lens is m is equal to, remember, m is equal to v by u. What is the magnification beta? M is equal to v by u. I hope you might have understood. So no. For lens it is v by u. For mirror it is minus v by u. This is the mistake everybody is doing. Understood or not? For lens it is what? V by u. So magnification given is how much here it is? They are telling the convex lens produces a real and inverted. Real magnification means minus 2.5. You remember, real magnification written means minus 2.5. Inverted means it will become 2.5. I told whenever magnification is written, minus means it is real and inverted. Real and inverted. From the beginning of the classes, if you will see, I always give important information about magnification. I told if magnification is negative, that means it is real and inverted. If magnification is positive, it is virtual and irregular. Understood? So here in the question, first catch what they have given in the question. A convex lens produces a real and inverted image of 2.5 times. So magnification here is given as what beta? Minus 2.5. What is magnification coming here is minus 2.5. And another thing beta, a convex lens. So convex lens image will be obtained on back side. So V will be positive. V will be positive. Always remember concave lens image will be obtained in front. So V will be negative. See, these are two things catch here when the note down this one. If you are using convex lens, image will be obtained here. Image obtained in this side. Image obtained is this side. I hope you might have understood. So beta V will be positive. V will be positive. But for concave lens, here image is obtained here. So V will be negative. Did you got my point? So here convex lens written means V will be positive. So now we are going to go to our work. What is that? V given here is image distance. V is given as 25 centimeter. So now magnification is minus 2.5 is equal to 25 by u. So u will be exactly equal to 25 by minus 2.5. Cancel 0. U is coming as minus 10 centimeter. Understood? Once u is coming as minus 10 centimeter, hereafter, yes Mukundan, now u is coming as, very good, absolutely. So now here 1 by v minus 1 by u is equal to 1 by f. V is what beta? 1 by 25 minus of minus 1 by 10 is equal to 1 by f. Understood? So 1 by 25 plus 1 by 10 is equal to 1 by f. So here it will become 10 plus 25 by 250 is equal to 1 by f. Understood or not? So focal length is always positive. So here it will come 250 by 35. So here it is coming as 50 by 7. So focal length is coming as 50 by 7 centimeter. Note down, focal length is coming as 50 by 7 centimeter. Do it please.
Ma'am, but in convex mirror, convex lens, we can get image distance is negative also, right?
What?
In convex lens, we can get image distance is negative also.
Image distances?
Negative.
How?
When it's focal,
सोच लो अच्छे से उसके बाद बताना.
in one case, you would
Yes. In one case virtual erect होगा, बाकी का सारा real inverted होगा. Convex lens is having 6 images, not one. Correct? Are you all ready? Next question. Is it done? No done. Sir, one day you will come, after that 10 days you will not come, means how what I will do? Say. And then write the question better. An object when placed in front of convex lens form a real image of forms a real image of 0.5 magnification understood if the distance of the image from the lens is from the lens is 24 centimeter. Calculate focal length. Same pattern question, try everyone. Calculate everything. Fully your question, try and solve this question, and I'm sure about that you people will be able to solve the question. Come on, try this. Go for it, please. Go for it. Try the question, please. Yeah, I'm moving, sir. Then try. We move to catch.
16 centimeter. And
Hmm? What is the answer? 8.
16.
One person is telling 16, one person is telling 8. Among both of you, one is correct. Okay. Kavya is telling 16, Mukundan is telling 8. Two people are telling 16 and 8. Let's see who will be correct. So I am solving. Satya is also telling 16. So competition is definitely cut to cut. Let's see who is going to be the correct one. Satya is also telling 16. Children, make sure, children, make sure you should be from next class onwards. You should be using two phones. One phone you have to keep in such a way so that I can see you studying. I hope you might have understood what you have to do. Did you understood what you have to? If you are joining online, means what is the important criteria? One side your phone should be there, which can show you that you are in table and you are studying. Voice will be muted. Anytime I can open the voice and listen, because most important thing is we are making the videos now. Private videos will be coming. Okay, Tarun is also telling answer is coming 16. Porni will come in problem. Understood? So now look here. Cornea will definitely come in trouble because real image means what? Magnification will come how much? Minus 0.5. So minus 0.5 beta, what is the formula? V by U. Okay. Now the distance of the image from the lens is 24. So V is coming as what? 24 and U. So U will be actually 24 by minus 0.5. So this cancel means 10 will come. So U will be coming as how much? Minus cancel 2. It will come minus 48 centimeter. Now 1 by V minus 1 by U is equal to 1 by M. What is V here?
16 ma'am, 16 ma'am. 16, 16.
Now you say
16 ma'am. 16 ma'am.
I already watched. Huh? Seriously? Now look here. V is what? Those who are telling 8.
16.
I don't know. I will check first. So V is coming as how much? 1 by 24. Minus minus will become plus. 48 is equal to 1 by F. So now we will write 1 by F is equal to. Here we will multiply with 2 up, 2 down. So it is coming 2 plus 1 by 48. So here F is equal to 48 by 3. So F is equal to 16 centimeter. So those who wrote 16 centimeter, so those who wrote this is what? This is the part focal length is coming as 16 centimeter. Did you understand? I think first person Yashvit has told the answer. I hope you might have understood this one. So shall we go for the next question, please? Get ready for it. Okay, I'm not going to help you for this question, but solve calculation must be accurate. Okay, write down a convex lens forms a real image. I a convex lens forms a real image. What image? Real image magnified 4 times when the object is placed when the object is placed at a distance of 6 centimeter from the lens. Understood? Calculate the focal length. Magnification will do half of the work. So if 20, 24 by 5. I'm not sure. I'll solve and see. Here object distance is given. We need to check. Object distance is given. So when object distance is given, this what we are going to do is check. And then try and solve this question, please. क्या कर रहे हैं ये? हम बुरे लोग हैं, बुरे समय में काम आते हैं. Some students have sent the solution. That's good. Okay, I got one answer. I got one answer. Okay, we'll see. Kavya got 4.8 centimeter. Mukundan got 4.8 centimeter. 24 by 5 means 4.8 or what? Okay. Jotam also got 4.8 centimeter. Jasmita also got 4.8 centimeter. 4.8 centimeter. 4 up. No centimeter. Okay, fine. So 4.8 centimeter. 4. Attack, I'll beat you. 4, ma'am. After that, 0.8 you can have. What was that? So now look here. See, most important thing is कि when we are solving these type of questions, we must be knowing how to attempt these questions. Because if we are knowing how to attempt these questions means we will be able to write in board exam. Otherwise, Govinda Govinda. Okay, so now look here. This is nothing. Magnification is 4 times. So magnification, they said real image. So magnification will become minus 4. So magnification formula is V by U. So minus 4. What is object is placed at a distance of convex mirror means the object will be placed in front of the main mirror or lens means in front of the lens. In both the situation, it is kept where? In front or back? It is in front. I hope. So here it will come, V will be, we don't know, but U will be how much better? 6. So minus 6 now. V will be minus 6 because U will be minus 6 because object is kept in front. So U will be minus 6. This is coming, so it will come V is equal to 24 centimeters. So 1 by V minus 1 by U is equal to 1 by F. What is your V? 24 minus of minus will become 1 by, this is equal to 1 by F. We will just multiply 4. So it will become 5 by 24 is equal to 1 by F. F equal to 24 by 5, 4.8. So focal length is coming as 4.8 centimeters to equal. That's it. Understood, everybody? Yes, we'll go for the next question. Are you ready for the next question? So like this, if they will be asking you nature, position, everything from the image means I hope you will be able to solve. Correct now? See, many times now they will be telling you to draw also. So get ready for drawing also. All the 6 locations are there. Based on the locations also we will be getting the answers. Sharmila, when you joined the class, dear, I thought today you are absent. I didn't got any information about you. Come on. Sitting in back today, he's writing everything. Next is your turn. He's seriously studying today. One. Seriously? You calling me? That boy. Next is your turn. Your sister is coming here only, so you be very careful. Only one slight information I will put in her ear means she will burst in your house like a bomb, and that will become nuclear bomb. Oh, you joined when you started. Okay, fine. See, reporting time I am writing, so it's very important. Write that reporting sections. Now look here. I'm ready. Are you all ready? Come on. Question is an object 4 centimeter high is placed at a distance of an object 4 centimeter high is placed at a distance of an object 4 centimeter high. An object 4 centimeter high is placed at a distance of 40 centimeter. Is placed at a distance of 40 centimeter. Okay, placed at 40 centimeter from the optical center. From the OC of concave lens. Now we are getting towards concave lens. So all the property will change for concave lens of focal length. Focal length given here is 20 centimeter. Okay. Only one punch needed to you. Seriously, right? Question. The position of the image you need.
Height, darkness. Distance, ma'am.
Amma. Position of image, they give only this much information. They give that the height is given. They're telling an object is 4 centimeter high is placed at a distance of 40 centimeter from the optical center of concave lens of focal length 20 centimeter.
X-less lense, ma'am.
Okay, two things are already given, so you can be able to find the image distance. Okay, okay. After that, what they are telling, the size of image. You have to find the size of the position of image. After that, size of image. Size of image. First is position and then size of image. Characteristics, if you wish, you can write. Ama.
Size is height, ma'am.
Huh?
Height.
Ama. Height of image.
Ma'am, use 40s.
Huh? 40 centimeter. Mhm.
You find it.
First you check. Thank you for calling me sister.
40 centimeters. Even itself, ma'am, question itself.
I don't know what he is doing. He will only say.
Where is it given, ma'am?
It is given already. Check.
I'm still
Try solving the question, please. Mine super Vishwa. I was waiting for this moment. Super. Chat GPT not used. Google not used. Then answer is correct. Chat GPT Google not used means answer.
Ma'am, question is correct, ma'am.
Question is correct. How my question will be wrong? I'm using both my eyes to see the question. How it will be wrong? Okay, two people said minus 40 by 3 centimeter.
40%.
Correct. 13.33. Yeah, when done? Solve it better.
Ma'am,
Mistake here. Very nice mistake. Check. Nice answer. You used your cerebrum. Medal of long time used or not? One of my genius students is telling he used his cerebrum to solve the question. Height is 1.33. Absolute. Virtual erect or real or inverted, right? Virtual erect or real or inverted? Come on, boss, super. Virtual erect or real or inverted? Come on, Ray, do it.
ma'am, same size, ma'am, placed at 2F. It is placed on K. On K. Ma'am, virtual and
I'm teaching right now. Gaming, can you tell me your name?
virtual and F because concave, ma'am.
Concave?
Concave lens, right?
Ama.
Virtual.
Always virtual. Virtual and erect. That's true. Virtual and erect. Now look here. Egg. Object size is height of object given is 4 centimeter. Now prior informations object is distance at this. So you will be equal to minus 40 centimeter. Now image distance we have to find focal length will become for concave lens focal length will be positive or negative. Focal length will be negative. So focal length will be negative only this side means what front side. So focal length will be negative means minus 40 centimeter. So 1 by V minus 1 by U equal to 1 by F. So what is V we have to find. Minus and minus will become 1 plus 40 is equal to minus A. I don't know. Focal length is 20. We'll multiply 2 down, 2 up, so minus 3 by 40. So B will be equal to minus 40 by 3 centimeters.
Ma'am, minus 2.
Orni, you're disturbing?
Oh my God, I'm ready.
Ayo, Orni is disturbing. This Kuti mouse is disturbing. Full feature of mouse is there. Only 2 ears, hair is missing, and one big tail is missing. Otherwise, he is mouse only. Teeth features are like mouse only. Yes, you are correct only. Bhutan. Everything is matching with mouse. Only one thing is Ultra City is doing too much.
What is that part? बहुत अच्छा लगा बाहर घर में सबको पसंद है
Wait, I'm going to solve. Now, second part is see, magnification is equal to height of image by height of object. Magnification is equal to V by U.
Ma'am, next day is Sunday.
Height of object is 4. V is given as V is coming as minus 40 by 3. U is minus 40. Four by 3. That is 1.33 centimeters. Height of image. All are telling what he's telling. He's telling you keep him as a pet.
That is symbol of empowerment.
No. Today, little mouse spoke. Then, Divya, we'll go for next question, please. Aye. Today, here very serious discussion going on. Who is going to adopt Corony?
You only, ma'am.
I can adopt him, no problem. What happened? Why you are crying? Okay. This is a question, life science based question. Very important question. Do it nicely. Tomorrow science exam is there. At least biology you do nicely and come. I am not saying anything. The donkey is always
He's asking, now only ma'am, you know that science exam is tomorrow. Empowerment, right?
Now go, an eye specialist prescribes a number. Write down. An eye specialist. Understood not? An eye specialist prescribes a number. Okay? Plus 4.5 diopter. So power is given as how? Power is given as how much? 4.5 diopter. To a person for his glasses. Understood or not? What is the actually? What is this? Why you are doing like this? Style of mouse. What is the nature of the lens? Tell me. Nature of lens. Jotam, you are not answering. Nature of lens. Wow, super. What is the focal length of lens?
2 by 8. 2 by 8.
I don't know. It's just solve and show.
Ma'am, it's
It is plus.
Ma'am, that's all, ma'am.
Hey, I saw it.
See, it is converging. See, plus means what?
Ma'am,
Whenever,
question, you did not write question answer, ma'am.
see, focal length.
Oh, ma'am, see, ma'am, what you wrote?
1 by 9 is already wrote question.
Ma'am, 2 by x2,
Huh?
2 by x.
Answer. Come on, focus in writing, please. No, no mistake. So see, once power is given as plus 4.5 diopter, plus means focal length is positive. So when focal length will be positive, it is convex. Okay. So since plus is there, means it is reflecting convex lens. So plus means convex lens. Understood? So plus is coming as convex lens. Focal length is coming positive, means it is convex lens. 1 by F, and here it is 4.5 diopter is equal to 1 by F. It is in meter, so we will convert it into F is equal to 1 by 4.5. Understood not? So 1 by 4.5 where it is there means 100 we are going to multiply, it will become centimeter. Check this one out, sir. 9 1 9 2 by 20 again 22.22.
I'm ready to meters.
Yeah, so only. You are correct only, no problem. It is coming as 22.22 centimeter. She joking. Centimeter. Foreign is teaching me. 22.22 centimeter. Did you understand, beta? Now next question, write down please. A convex lens of focal length. See here, merging I am teaching you now. Power will be added up or subtracted. This is exactly property. Okay? Understood? So we will solve accordingly. Write the
When will you teach biology and chemistry?
today. Today and tomorrow morning also I'll teach. Tomorrow morning I'll teach chemistry. Chemistry, which sections you are having doubt now? Huh? Which part you want I will be discussing? Centimeter is correct, huh? Huh? No. Carbon is compound. Okay. See, right question. A convex lens of focal length. Convex lens focal length is 40 centimeter, and concave lens focal length is focal length is 50 centimeter, are placed in contact with each other. Are placed in contact with each other. Calculate power of combination. Add power of combination. First part. Second is length of combination. Focal length of combination. Try. Tanish, I am going to start 6 minutes give. I think 7:30 I'll start. 7:30 I'll start.
Well, minus 2. Minus
Minus?
2.
Minus 2, how it came? Minus 2. Check.
Sorry, 2 diameter, not minus 2. 2 diameter.
Idiot. Converted it.
Move by asking 10 minutes, please move.
I moved.
Ma'am,
Final answer, let me check. Answer is 2 only. Focal length is given.
200 cm.
Now look at it. First power P1 will be equal to what? See, they have given convex lens. What is given? Focal length is given. Okay. So here it will become 1 by 40 centimeter. 40 centimeter will become what? 0.4 meter. Is it? Pythians. It will not be like that. Here 40 centimeters. So it will become this much. So it will become what? 100 by 40. So it is coming how much? 2.
5 by 2.
So 2.5 meter. Check. Is it coming 2.5 diopter? Sorry. 2.5 diopter. Absolutely. 2.5 diopter now. Because hand value will be coming. Now second type it is concave. Concave what is there given? 50. So 50 is minus we will be writing 50 by 100. Check this one out. So it will become minus 100 by 50. It will come minus 2 diameter. Check. One is coming as 2.5 and one is minus 2 diameter. Understood? Now with the power of combination will be exactly, it will be added. P will be equal to P1 plus P2. That's what I told you now. It will be added or subtracted. It totally depends upon the type of lens. You are adding it. You are totally adding it. But is it going to be? So here one time it is coming as 2.5 for convex and minus 2 for concave. So it is coming minus this. So total power is coming as power of lens is coming as 0.5D. Note down this one for convex plus and for concave it will be minus. Total combination will be plus and minus means overall answer will come. Different type of lens means convex will keep on getting added, concave will keep on getting subtracted. That's the most important thing. So only I told you, no? So now here we are going to talk about the focal length. So focal length will be what? P is equal to power is equal to 1 by focal length. So focal length is equal to 1 by power, that is 0.5 diopter. Understood or not? So we will write it as 10. So focal length will be coming as what? 1 by D is meter, so 2 meter. That's it. And that is what I was talking about. So we have 2 meter or 200 centimeter. 2 meter or 200 centimeter. That's the most important part. You need to be very. I hope you might have understood this one. Come on. So we're going to keep it till here. Okay. So lens question session, how was it? Huh? You understood nicely? Beta, if you will put zebra strips and all, how it is exactly going to respond, that is very important. See, we will be final time, all the videos will be kept in your group for final practice. You be very clear, yes. So, more than many sessions we are going to keep from. I am planning, but we had some meeting. I'm having some meeting with Mansi auntie, Rupa auntie and all for coaching final question answer sessions. Now, one thing I need to inform everybody. Please kindly. Yes, that will be there. Everybody try to arrange 2 mobiles if you are coming offline, online. Offline means here itself killing.